says Hot Wheels 68 on the back, and of course 68 is from 1968 when Hot Wheels first came out. And on the front it says HW and then Hot Wheels along the side. There is a hint of what the next creations is going to be. And oh, look at this, huh? How do I look? I love it. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. We just want to let you know that on March 6th, a couple of days from now, at mattelcreations.com, they're going to have a release party. And there's all kinds of cool stuff. They just sent me this from Mattel, from Mattel, because it's not only Hot Wheels, okay? There are Uno, Monster High, Little People, Barbie, Masters of the Universe, WWE, Hot Wheels, and then the Mattel Creations Bespoke. So on March 6th at 9:07 Pacific time, 9:07 a.m. Pacific time, they're going to have a watch party. And again, like I said, it's going to be at mattelcreations.com. Go on your computer, check it out. And there's going to be all kinds of cool stuff. Now, each one of these is at a different time. So I want to show you what they sent me. Now, there's some really cool stuff in here. It says, let's create what's next. And look at this. Jersey. All right. Beautiful. Hot Wheels jersey. It says Hot Wheels 68 on the back. And of course, 68 is from 1968 when Hot Wheels first came out. And on the front, it says HW and then Hot Wheels along the side. This, you know, I'm going to be wearing this thing all the time. There is a hint of what the next creations is going to be. And, oh, look at this, huh? How do I look? I love it. Awesome. Thanks, guys. And the next one, like I said, this is the hint of what's going to be happening for Hot Wheels next. And it is the Hot Wheels Elite 64. So they're going to continue to have a different reveal every few weeks, I believe, maybe every month. I don't know. It doesn't say here how often they're going to do it. So what it says is contents of your watch party box: Hot Wheels jersey, Mattel Creations stickers, Muscle Mania Hot Wheel poster, which is this right here. All right. And clue number one about the next super secret Hot Wheels collectible, which is the T-shirt, which has got some really awesome detailed stuff. That's right. The T-shirt is one of 3 clues about what the Hot Wheels team is launching at this year's event. The other 2 clues are hidden in our revealed cubes and brand videos on Mattel Creations social media. So that's at Mattel Creations on whether it's Facebook or Instagram. It might be on other stuff too. So be on the lookout and pay special attention to the details. Share the clues with your pit crew to see who will solve the mystery of the next Hot Wheels must-have, and tune in to Revealed on March 6th, a full day of fandom. So that is it. I want to thank Mattel for sending me the package. Lots of cool stuff. And I will definitely be watching along with you guys on March 6th at mattelcreations.com. And here's the link to it. All right. So see you guys there. And again, always, thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.